Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series now on the teachings of Jesus. So if you want to learn more, come follow it. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor and click the like button. Leave a comment on the video. Share this video with as many friends as you can, at least one. And if you haven't done it yet, then click the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell, because that way you won't miss any of what is happening right here, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 18 from verse 1 to verse 6. Round the time there, Jesus' special follower them come to him and ask him, say, who have the top position in a God kingdom? Jesus called one picnic and make him turn up amongst them. Then he said to them, say, me tell you no this year, and I chew me the talk. If you not change how no turn and start humble yourself like picnic, none of you now go put on a foot in a God kingdom. But if you not humble yourself like that little picnic, then a uno a go be top in a God kingdom. And anybody will welcome picnic like that one ya, cause the picnic trust in me, them welcome me too. But anybody will make one of them little picnic we believe in me sin, them would have better off if one big rock stone did tie around their neck and then go drown down at the bottom of the sea. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.